Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Shots on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Instagram and then you gotta log into your account. After that, you gotta click on the direct messages button right over here. Then you have to select any chat you want. For example, I'm gonna select this one. And then right next to it, you'll be able to see a camera icon, which is basically the shot option. You gotta click on it, and then you can simply create any image, use boomerang, use any layout, generate any AI image. And let's say I'm gonna take this picture, and right over here, you'll be able to see allow replay, keep in chat, or view once. So you can select anything you want. For example, I'm gonna click on view once, and then click on send. Now, when someone opens this message, they'll be only able to see the image once, and after that, it will be gone. And that is basically how you can use Shots on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.